and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today it's all about this Purple Nest geometric blanket. Love the wrapping first and foremost. It came in a box and literally I just lifted it up like this and took it out. So love how they wrapped it and all that good stuff. But let's check out the actual blanket. Ooh, it is it is super large. Love, love, love the pattern and the design. Let's see. The beautiful thing about Purple Nest is that they work directly with global artisans around the world to create handcrafted home decor pieces for the modern home. Plus, 5% of their profits actually go back to artisan communities. So what they do is they blend like indigenous art designs into all their products, including this beautifully designed blanket that is humongous. Oh my goodness. Here, all the way, my arm span, and then some, and then another arm span. So I'm assuming this is like a king bed size. Like, this is humongous. This is the front, and then this is the back. It's basically like, I mean, whichever side you prefer, to be honest. Made in Ecuador, and it's 100% alpaca. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is awesome. Definitely is gonna be super, super, super warm, super high quality. Let me know what you think about this blanket. Is this a design that you would like? Can you see this in your home? If so, where would you put it? Would you put it on the bed? Would you put it on the couch? Let me know what you would do with this blanket in the comments. For more unboxings, continue watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.